Stornagle, and I'm the general manager here at Leicatex, and I've been with the company for over 17 years. If you're looking for a product which is made of steel, which can fit in your hand, and you're looking for high tolerance, great quality, and you need a couple million of those, Leicatex can make that for you. We're a precision manufacturer with high speed that can meet your needs.
We're based in London, Ontario, Canada, and we ship to 25 countries at least around the world. We have a location in Germany, and we ship from there. Our on-time shipping is fantastic. Even throughout the pandemic, we barely had a blip, still 99.2% on-time shipping. I think that's a big one, and also our quality ratings are world-class.
Plus nothing, minus a half a thou. Like for some of the gardening parts, some of the cut-off blades and knives are really have to be very accurate.
All of our seals and buckles meet ASTM requirements for joint efficiency.
Our people set us apart, for one, because of the experience that we have. We have people that definitely have adapted to a quality culture.
If they're wrong, then it's like, they can't be wrong. And if I think that maybe something went wrong, you have to say it right away.
It's rewarding, it's encouraging, there's a lot of new things to learn.
On August 23rd, 2023, Leicatex turns 50 years old, and we're all very, very proud of that. We've taken a very good small company and made it an excellent larger company. Part of the strength of our team is its diversity. We have many different backgrounds and lots of experience here at Leicatex.
I would say that in our industry, we are the best producers of prints and seals in the world. Being world class and this type of manufacturing, it's really good. We do it better than anybody else.
Our parts are number one, and it's a good feeling to know that you're number one.